You are about to make 2020 your best year ever. Here are 5 tips to ensure your success. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Your dreams, your goals. 2020 is approaching. And if you're watching this video and it's already February or March, you're already into 2020. You still have the ability, the power to manifest the most incredible year of your life. I firmly believe this. I believe 2020 is a destiny year for many people. A destiny year means that this year will transition you in such a way that the entire decade is going to be a year of growth and progress for you. This is going to be an incredible transitional destiny year for you. So all you need to do is claim it and put the effort into it to make it your year. I'm going to share with you 5 tips that I believe will help you in 2020. High flyers, I believe 2020 is your destiny year. I believe it's the year of tremendous transformation and growth in your life. Here are the areas in which I think that most of you are going to want to put energy into. Your physical, what is your body like? What is your body doing? Where are you at today? And where do you want to be a year from now? Your financial. What is your money doing? Is your money growing for you? Are you leveraging your money? Are you manifesting more money? Are you attracting more money? Your relationships. Oh, that's very important because we are human beings and human beings need good, positive relationships, especially your love relationship. Your intellectual growth. What are you learning? What do you intend to learn? What do you intend to master in 2020? And of course, your spiritual connection. Your spiritual connection is very, very important because with this spiritual connection, you're able to pull down energy and help every other area of your life. In other words, becoming closer to source energy is an absolute essential for manifesting 2020 and the year that you desire. So high flyers, in these 5 areas of your life, I have set 3 goals in each area. So in my physical life, I have 3 goals. I know I'm not anywhere close to what I can be physically. I've set 3 financial goals for 2020 because I know financially this is going to be an incredible year for a lot of people, and I intend to be one of them. 3 financial goals. I've set 3 goals in regards to my relationships with my family, my friends, and of course with Rachel. And then intellectual goals. I've set 3 goals, 3 areas of my life that I want to learn more about. These areas are important to my business. They're important to my family. They're important to my health. And of course, spiritual. My spiritual goals. What are my spiritual goals? They are first and foremost always to become closer to source energy, but also to learn how to pull source energy down into my body and out into the world to help others. So having spiritual goals are very, very important as well. So by the time you get done with this exercise, you will have the 5 areas of your life and you'll have 3 goals in each area. One of those goals should have a star by it because one of those goals is the most important. That's the goal that is your primary intention for that area of your life. So we can use the word goals, we can use the word intentions. They're really intentions because you are partnering with the universe to manifest what it is you desire in 2020. Expect to manifest your top 5 goals. So you have one goal in each area. Absolute expectation, absolute certainty. You must be absolutely certain that it is already manifested. It's already coming into your life. And here's the thing. You don't need to know how. Say it. I don't need to know how the universe is going to manifest this into my life, whatever your intention is. You don't need to know how. That's not your job. Your job is to have the intention and to amplify it with positive thoughts and positive emotions. So high flyers, if you are watching this video before the first of the year, Rachel and I would like to personally invite you to attend 2020 manifestationblowout.com. And it's a live webinar. We are going to have all kinds of tools and energy to help you accelerate into 2020 and make it your best year ever. It's free. It's our gift, our 2020 gift from us to you. 2020 manifestationblowout.com. So high flyers, number 3 is to begin returning your mind back to unlimited power. And you're going to use this unlimited power to manifest your intentions in 2020, but you're also going to use this unlimited power to have an impact on other people's lives in a positive way. One of the ways you can do that is every single day, just take a deep breath in through the nose, hold it now through the mouth, and receive the power. Visualize the white light coming down into your mind, into your body, and into your energy field. Your mind, body, and energy field. White light. Breathe it in. All the way down. Circulate it around your body. I have my hands in this position, high flyers, while I'm doing this meditation, because I'm only going to do this meditation for 5 minutes a day. I'm going to commit to doing it for 5 minutes every day during 2020. This is a sign to the universe that I am open to receiving. And that's number 4. You can have all the goals and intentions that you desire. You can take positive action, inspired action. But if you are not open to receiving, say it right now. I am open to receiving. Oh yeah, that feels good. Oh yeah, I like that. Write that down below here. I am open to receiving in 2020. I am open to receiving more than I have ever received in my entire life. You see, in 2019, I received a lot, but I wasn't completely open. So I didn't receive everything. In 2018, I was open to receiving, but I wasn't fully open to receiving. And so I didn't receive everything. But 2020, that's different for you, because you're going to be fully open to receiving as that white energy comes down, that infinite light shining on you. You are receiving. Visualize, see, and feel clearly what it is that you desire to receive. And number 5 is keep 2, not 1, 2 diaries. 2 diaries. So diary number 1 refers to kind of what you did throughout the day. And so this diary is very important because at the end of your writing, in other words, you write down kind of a summation of what you did throughout the day, and then you set a goal for the next day or the next week. You set an intention. You set an inspired action. In other words, you write it down, and then you look at it and say, how could I improve this? How could I level this up? How can I make this better tomorrow? And so you kind of write it down what you're going to do differently tomorrow. So you are constantly improving, constantly taking your game to the next level. So that's your first diary. Your second diary is each and every day you're going to find 3 things that happened in your life that you are grateful for, and you're going to write about them. I feel gratitude. I am grateful for the following things. 3 things every day. You think about that. If you do that, you're going to have well over 1,000 things that you are grateful for at the end of the year. That's almost like 1,000 gratitude affirmations. You are keeping your mind attuned to the frequency of love and the frequency of gratitude. And that's incredible. That's wonderful, because that ensures that you are open to receiving more of what you desire in 2020. You have a great day and a great year, and be sure to subscribe and click that bell icon. We're here 5 days a week to empower your life. Bye-bye now.